everybody is so curious about. Okay, so, alam naman natin si Andrea, magandang bata, sobrang blooming.
Yes, correct.
Every single second of every single day. But the past couple of weeks, months maybe, you're extra blooming. So Andrea, meron o wala? Meron bang nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon?
Melon. Dear Face Beauty Milk.
Come on, you guys, background ones!
Specifically melon flavor po. Yan po yung nagpapasaya sa akin ngayon.
Ayun, love it.
Ano